So it's not just Amazon coming for you, the scammers are coming for you. Everybody's coming for you. It may be the movie people, it may be whoever. But it turns out scammers are attacking you via your Fire Stick and your Fire TV device. It could be your Nvidia Shield or your Android TV device. This isn't device specific, but obviously we cover a lot of Fire Stick stuff here, so I wanted to make you all aware to make sure you do not install it. So before we do that, if you can, do hit that follow button and make sure you've got your VPN running for your privacy and your safety. If you do need one, there's one linked underneath, or you can just comment the word VPN and I'll send you a discounted link. Okay, so what are we talking about? This was kind of brought to my attention by Tech Doctor UK. I had been looking into an app similar, or one of them, I'll show you which one. And he's done a video on this, I think, a few days back. And it's a great point to bring across to you guys, mainly because for your privacy. So make sure you follow Tech Doctor as well. Great YouTuber, wants to be more like me, trying to catch me up, but I'm just better. So what are we talking about? We all know the app Background Apps and Processes list. And if you don't, you need to get it, okay? This app is brilliant because it shows you what apps are running in the background on your device and where you can close all the apps pretty much instantly without having to go through every single app in your settings to find out what's open and to force close it. But we're not going to go into too much about the app right now. What I'm talking about is if you search to install it, if you've never had it before, or if you're trying to update it, if you search in Background Apps and Processes list, look what we get. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Background Apps and Processes list. And how would you know which one to install? Well, first of all, the good thing is I'm going to tell you. The one to install is this one, Background Apps and Processes list. If you look at more info, the developer on this one, it will tell me here somewhere, is Vishnu space N space K, and this was originally released in the 14th of October 2018. You know, the key sign here is it's had 23,864 brilliant reviews on there. But all these other ones, shouldn't have backed that far out, to be warned for, they try and make out that there's something good for you. Background Apps and Processes list. Let's have a look on this one, 2025 version. £6.67. Developed by Fire Nova Stream. Never heard of them. They've got no reviews. We're not going to touch that one, okay? Background Apps and Processes list. Let's have a look at this one. This one is free, but it's made by GameSphere. Looks like they've just copied what has already been on there. Made on the 23rd of September 2025, and they had to update it on the 24th of September 2025. Pro version. This must be the one. Pro. More info. Take control of your Fire TV with Background Apps and Processes for £3.99. This one is made by GameSphere as well, so the same as the one before, which wasn't a Pro. Released on the 23rd of September. It's had one review in here somewhere. There's not much to see on the review, so it must have been blurred out. And last but not least, Background Apps and Processes list. Another free one. Another pretty much brand new one, 22nd of September 2025. These are not to be touched. If you want an app which does this stuff, you get the official one. And if I would recommend you keep it and you fire it up every time you load your Fire Stick, because you can close all your apps down apart from your VPN and keep everything running nice and smooth and make your Fire Stick as fast as it possibly can be without too much running in the background. Brilliant. So I've been Doc Squiffy. Linked underneath is a few things. All my socials are under there. My support stream's under there if you want to come and drop some questions in anywhere. My website, everything. Check all that part out. Hit that follow and let me know your thoughts.